After turning 30, many women notice their body begins changing, especially when it comes to weight gain, energy levels, and metabolism. But why does weight gain seem to happen easier after this age? Today, let's explore the hidden biological reasons behind this change.
One of the biggest reasons women gain weight faster after 30 is a natural drop in their metabolic rate over time.
Metabolism controls how quickly your body burns calories. When it slows, even the same meals can lead to more stored fat.
Research shows metabolism may drop up to 10% by the early 30s, especially if physical activity levels also decrease.
Hormonal changes also play a major role. After 30, estrogen and progesterone levels fluctuate more, affecting weight storage and appetite.
These hormone shifts can increase cravings, cause bloating, and encourage the body to store more fat, especially around the stomach. As women age, they naturally lose muscle mass each year, and muscle is what helps burn calories even at rest.
When muscle decreases, the body burns fewer calories, leading to gradual weight gain, even if eating habits remain the same.
Women in their 30s often balance careers, family, and responsibilities. This can increase stress levels and raise cortisol hormone.
High cortisol signals the body to store more fat for protection, especially around the waist, making weight loss harder.
Sleep quality often worsens after 30 due to hormonal changes and lifestyle demands, affecting appetite control and metabolism. Lack of sleep increases hunger hormones and reduces fullness signals, making overeating and sugar cravings far more likely.
Busy schedules can reduce exercise time and increase convenience eating. These habits slowly add weight without being immediately noticeable.
Even healthy women may underestimate calorie intake when routines change, especially when juggling responsibilities and stress eating patterns.
Understanding these changes helps women take back control. With balanced habits, staying strong and healthy after 30 is absolutely possible.